Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add a booking form to your WordPress website. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, running an event, or running a hotel, or a salon, or just need a simple appointment scheduler, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. And hey, if you provide services that align with the content of my channel and want to showcase what you do, reach out for a collaboration. Let's work together and highlight your amazing services. Alright, first things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you're going to want to head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Navigate to Plugins, add New, Now. In the search bar, type Simply Schedule Appointments. Before you proceed with installing the Simply Schedule Appointments plugin, I recommend reviewing the plugin details first. This will give you a chance to explore important information such as the plugin's features, its screenshots, and user reviews. By checking these out, you'll get a better understanding of how the plugin works and whether it fits your specific needs. Once you've confirmed it's the right fit for your website, you can go ahead and install and activate it with confidence. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice a new menu item called Appointments in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on it to get started with setting up your booking form. When you first land on your dashboard, you'll notice a user-friendly interface. Navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you'll find all the essential features needed to manage online appointments. While the free version offers great functionality, for access to the complete set of advanced features, you'll need the Pro version. But don't worry, for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get started with the free version, which works perfectly for basic booking needs. Now, you can customize the form by opening each section if you'd like to change the default settings. However, if you're happy with the plugin's default design, you can simply keep it as is. To begin setting up your appointment system, start by creating a new appointment type. Among the various options available, take some time to carefully review each one and select the one that best aligns with your specific needs and requirements. The right choice will depend on your unique preferences and objectives, so feel free to explore and make an informed decision. For my setup, I use web meetings, and we have the option to either create a meeting URL or customize one. Personally, I prefer to use my custom Zoom URL for a more personalized experience. Once you've saved the appointment booking form, copy the generated URL, and then you can easily include it on your website wherever you need it. Now, let's move to Elementor to add your booking form to your page. First, open the page where you want to place your booking appointment form using Elementor. Choose the section or area on your page where you'd like the form to appear. You can select an existing section or create a new one, depending on your layout. Next, over on the left-hand panel, search for HTML. This will allow you to add custom code to your page. Drag the HTML widget from the panel and drop it into the section where you want the booking form to appear. Now, simply paste the URL of your booking form. Once you've pasted the URL, hit Publish to save your changes, and your booking form will be live on the page. When a visitor accesses your booking form, they will first see the available dates based on your time zone. After selecting a specific date, they will then be prompted to choose a time slot in either AM or PM. Once the time is selected, the visitor will be asked to provide their name and email address to complete the booking. As the site owner, you can easily view all the booking details from the admin side. You'll have access to each booking, and if necessary, you can also cancel or modify any appointment directly from the admin panel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need assistance with building or redesigning your website, or if you'd like to showcase your services on my channel through a video like this, feel free to reach out for collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.